Why does a good tutor refuses to simply hand over the answer? It is not a quirk of software. It is the Socratic method, a way of teaching by question, older than universities. Athens began it. The medieval disputation carried it. Eton's tutorial system kept it alive. And the newest AI tutors, surprisingly, are faithful to it.
For most of the last century, the tutorial did not scale. To teach 30 children at once, schools turned to the lecture and the worksheet. Teaching became content delivery. EdTech promised one-to-one tutoring for 40 years and shipped quizzes instead. What it could never manufacture was the conversation, the follow-up question shaped to the exact mistake the student just made.
Here is the tradition, encoded. Professor Pi runs a 4-level hint ladder, the very thing a good tutorial has always done. Level 1 asks what you already know, the most Socratic move, giving nothing away. Level 2 names the concept. Level 3 nudges the next small step. Only at level 4 does it show a worked twin, the same problem with one number changed, so you finish your own. The Eton Classics master asking a boy to translate Tacitus escalates by exactly these tiny degrees, never handing over the whole game.
And this is not one tutor's habit. Every professor in the faculty teaches the same Socratic way, whether it is maths, English, biology, chemistry, or physics. The rules hold. A question first, hints rather than answers, and the student always taking the last step. The same dialogue elite tutoring used for centuries, now woven through the whole faculty. A good tutor also reads the child in front of them. Before any session, mentor checks the energy. Green means push on. Amber means lighter work tonight. Red can mean rest, because a tired mind cannot learn well. Care comes before any worksheet. The Socratic conversation belongs to no school and to no company. It belongs to the long line of teachers who knew the right move with a stuck child is a better question, not a better answer. What's new is that it is finally available to every family. We are now inviting our first 100 founding member families.
Learn more at aitutors.me.